I rise today with a fire that cannot be dimmed, a truth that cannot be shaken, a power that cannot be taken from me. I command my life. No one else decides my direction. No one else shapes my destiny. No one else determines my future. My path is mine. My choices are mine. My results are mine. Everything begins with me. My attitude, my discipline, my hunger, my response to adversity. I am not waiting for permission. I am not waiting for luck. I am not waiting for the world to hand me anything. I move because I choose to move. I rise because I choose to rise. I trust myself. I believe in myself. I know what I'm capable of, and I refuse to shrink from it. Every tool I need already lives inside me: strength, clarity, discipline, courage, fire. If I want something, I will build it. If I dream something, I will chase it. If I decide something, I will make it real. Nothing can stop me unless I surrender, and I won't. Not today, not tomorrow, not ever. I summon the discipline to stay locked in when others quit. I summon the determination to push through every wall in front of me. I summon the resilience to rise after every fall, stronger than before. I summon the humility to keep learning, keep growing, keep evolving. I summon the hunger of a warrior and the focus of a predator locked on its target. I stay consistent, not just until I win, but long after. Because greatness isn't a moment. Greatness is a lifestyle. Greatness is a decision repeated daily. I don't pray for easier days. I'm grateful for the strength I've built surviving the hard ones. Every challenge sharpens me. Every setback teaches me. Every obstacle prepares me. I am forged by pressure, not broken by it. There's always a solution. There is always a way forward. There's always another level, and I'm ready for it. I don't fear the next mountain. I go looking for it. I honor my past, but I don't live in it. My future is bigger than anything behind me. My growth inspires me. My progress fuels me. My potential excites me. I am committed. I am curious. I am relentless. I am unstoppable. My life is in my hands. My effort, my focus, my discipline, my choices. Circumstances don't define me. I define me. I believe in myself. I trust my path. I know I'm capable. I know I'm ready. I know I'm rising. I am grateful for the energy inside me, the energy to push, to build, to evolve. I will not waste it. I will not underestimate it. I will not ignore it. This energy is my gift, and I will use it fully. I thrive in growth. I thrive in challenge. I thrive in becoming more than I was yesterday. My growth expands me, and it inspires others. My evolution is my responsibility, and I embrace it. I have the power to create a life greater than anything I once imagined. The human mind is limitless. The human spirit is unbreakable. The human potential is infinite, and I am proof of that potential. I will keep pushing until my final breath. I will keep rising until my last moment. I will keep evolving until my story ends. I am committed. I am excited. I am ready to see how far I can go, how strong I can become, how powerful I can rise. My life is mine. My results are mine. My destiny is mine. Circumstances don't define me. My work does. My effort does. My focus does. My discipline does. I have faith in myself. I trust my journey. I know I will reach the next level. I know I am capable. I know I am ready. I command my life. I own my power. And I am stepping into my next level right now.